Sezifarming-ke manje. Kudalwa-ke manje siyasebenza-ke manje. Akudalwa manje.
Lo usafuna ukunaka uthi bekonani? Awunenkinga. Yeah.
How we started?
Yeah, how it all started.
How it all started? How it ends?
We've just placed the seeds. We are busy covering the seeds, and from then on we begin the watering. But we've just placed the seeds.
Yeah, that's how we started.
This is how we started. It sounded like a plan.
That's how we started. That is here.
When it actually does work out, then you realize that how. But when it sounded just like a small plant, you didn't think it was going to be a plant.
So sebenza.
But the only problem is it can't work if you don't.
Creating our own jobs.
You want to go get employed, you go get employed.
That's how we started.
Yeah, that one who wants to go, the one who wants to go get employed must go get employed.
That's how we started.